Do you want to know how you can delete your Quizlet account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Quizlet account. Go ahead and open Quizlet.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and log into your account. Now, to delete your account, go ahead and click on your profile, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Delete Your Account. Now click Delete Account and write down the password of your account. Make sure the password is correct and then click Submit. Now you can see that it will ask your permissions to permanently delete your Quizlet account. So if you want to delete it for real, go ahead and click Delete Account, and in a while you can see that you have been logged out and your account has been deleted. This was a video on how you can delete your Quizlet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.